Welcome to Naples, Florida. My sister is making our salad dressing.
Started with a little water, fresh garlic, some white vinegar, squirt of balsamic, squirt of dry mustard for emulsion, salt, pepper, sugar, and my sister's trick, squirt with olive oil.
Is that the olive oil mayo? We really don't even need to try this at this point. We're so used to it.
No, it needs a little more sugar.
Always. Can't go wrong. That ice maker is really getting in the way of our little filming. Are you going to taste it one more time?
No.
She's confident.
A little more mayo. What do you think? It's a little thin.
Depends how you like it, you know. That's the beauty of that dressing. If you like it creamier, you can add more mayo.
Let's add a little more. We're experimenting today.
We are. You can't go wrong with this.
That looks good.
And it does. I think we're there.
Okay.
Perfection. Time to dress the salad. It smells so good. The dressing.
Fresh herbs too.
The garlic.
Tarragon, chives. Good recipe, Chris.
Cannot wait to try it.
Next up, we are making gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches with ingredients that we got from Seed to Table. We are using Gruyere and buttercase cheese, pesto, fresh tomato, and ciabatta bread. Those smell good.
Here are the grilled cheese sandwiches. We are getting ready to flip them. They look divine.
So good.
Here we go. So excited.
Can you hear the crunch? Is it good? That's summer. Here we go. Oh my God. Keep it rolling because I can edit all that out.
Okay.
Friends, thanks so much for hanging out with me and my sister in her kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I upload every other day. Can't wait to see you next time.